Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I created this really colorful look using the Juvia's Place Mariposa palette. See how I did it. It's super easy, but if you want to see how to do it, then keep watching. Okay, so I did my cream base and we're up to powder now. And I have this powder here. It's not new by any means, but it's new to me. It's the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I have the shade Fair here. This has been around for a while, but I never got around to trying it. I have the normal Fit Me pressed powder, and I really like this. So I wanted to try out the loose one. So we're going to bake with this. I'm just going to tap out any creasing that I might have from my concealer. And then we're just gonna bake. So let's open this up. I don't even know how to open it. And I'm just gonna dump some into the cap. Now I'm just gonna load some up on my sponge and we're gonna start with baking the sides of our nose. Looks good so far. I'm just going to pat it under my eyes. It's very bright for sure. All right, now we can bake under our cheekbones. And I'm tapping the rest on my chin and my upper lip. I'm taking some more and patting it on my forehead. And then I'm also taking some and setting my eyes so that they're ready for eyeshadow. Then I'm going to take some on my Morphe sponge with this flat edge and line up my nose. And then I'm going to take the little tip of it and create a dot. A little exclamation point. This is how I've been contouring my nose lately and I've been liking it. So I'll let you guys know how I like the powder as I wear it. We'll see what it looks like after I dust it off and stuff. But I'm gonna go do some blush and stuff and then come back for the eyes. So I'm back and I applied my blush, and an update on the powder. It's definitely really brightens, but I think I like it, but I'll let you know the more that I wear it. So now we can get started into the eyes. I'm using the Juvia's Place Love Mariposa palette. The last time I used this, my look was a little bit all over the place, and I want to try again. But we're gonna still be using bright colors. We're gonna be using these three shades right here. I saw a look that Juvia's Place posted on Instagram, like when the palette was launching and stuff, and I really want to recreate it. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna start off this Morphe M433, and I'm gonna take the shade Aurelis right here. It's this coral shade, and we're gonna apply this all over our lid and into the crease. And this is the only shade that we're gonna be using on our lids. We might take some of the brown shade if I don't like the way just the coral looks, but I think I will. So I'm just gonna start by packing it on and then on my lid and then blending it into my crease. I like the way that looks, and I only dipped in once. I think I'm just gonna dip in again just to intensify it on the lid. Liking the way this is looking, so I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. There we have the coral shade. I really like the way that looks. It's really bright and fun. So now we can get on to the lower lash line. The picture, they used the blue shade called Angel, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm taking the Real Techniques shading brush right here. It looks like it has shadow on it, but it's completely clean. It's just a little bit stained from a green shadow. But I'm taking this blue shimmer and putting it on my entire lower lash line. And I'm blending it as much as I can right here into this coral, even though the shadows like don't really blend together. Like these two shades, it's hard to blend them together. The last part is the pink, and I'm applying this to my inner corner. It's the shade Barbie Brat, the pink shimmer. And I'm using the Morphe M431 pencil brush to do this. And I'm just applying it to my inner corner. Putting it into the coral and the blue. I'm going to take this Morphe M321 brush with nothing on it and just blend the edges of that pink so it's not as harsh. There, it's a little bit more diffused than right here. Yeah, this is what we're working with. It looks a little bit weird right now, but I'm hoping after lashes it will come together a little bit more. So before that, I'm going to apply a pencil liner. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Eye Pencil in the shade Black, and I'm going to apply this to my waterline and my tight line. And now we can apply a little bit of mascara. I'm going to apply the Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara, and then we're gonna apply, I'm trying out these lashes here. These are the Kiss Lash Couture Naked Drama lashes in chiffon. That's the style. I've heard this style is really pretty, so I want to try them out. And then for my lower lashes, I'm going to use the, what am I going to use? The MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash. So I'm going to do all that, and then we'll regroup. All right, that took longer than I wanted it to, and I honestly don't know if I even like these lashes. I don't know. You guys let me know, but now we can get on to highlight really quick. I'm gonna use the Revlon Skin Lights Prismatic Highlighter in the shade Daybreak Glimmer. Oh, these are poking my eye. I don't know how I like these lashes, if I'm being completely honest. But the Morphe M501 brush, and I'm just highlighting the high point of my cheekbone and my chin, Cupid's bow, and the sides of my forehead. Then I'm taking this pencil brush from Morphe and highlighting the tip of my nose and the bridge of it. Here, a new Luxe gloss that I want to try. It's the ColourPop Luxe Gloss in the shade Let's Be Clear. It's just a clear one. You guys know that I love the ColourPop Luxe glosses, and lately I've been just loving clear, so I wanted to try this one out. And we just have to line our lips. I'm going to use the Morphe Color Pencil in the shade Sugar Pie. I used this in my last video. I'm just going to sharpen it really quick. These lip liners are so pigmented, it's crazy. Can apply the gloss, so let's open it up. The packaging is so cute on it. All right, this is what it looks like. It's just clear with a little baby pink lid. For some reason, it's like a little bit sticky. I don't know why. Applicator is really big. Super shiny, as you can see. Go run some clear brow gel through my brows and set my face with setting spray, and then we'll come back for the outro. Here's the look all complete. It's growing on me a little bit. I definitely like it, but it's a little bit different, obviously, with the colors. I just wanted to recreate it. I don't know how I feel about the lashes. You guys have to let me know how you like the look down below. But yeah, if you liked it, thumbs it up. comment, subscribe if you want to see more from me. And you can follow my Instagram and my TikTok, which is down below, and the products listed below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of your day. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one.